welcome back to Everyday Mods Every Way. In today's video, we're going to do a fully hectic coilover install on the DC5. We've got the fuel ready to go. Let's get into it, guys. We know you guys have been waiting for this one, for the return of the DC5, for the first mod on the channel. What we're going to be doing is fixing this fitment here. We don't want to fit anything in there.
Nothing at all. Nothing.
This is not East Coast. This is not Florida. We're not going around driving dogs. We're driving around Jap weapons. As you can tell, Jap weapons only. Alright, let's get to the boot. Let's get that satisfying unboxing. We've done the unboxing here. As you can tell, we've got our coilers out. And we're just having a look at them now. So these are MCA Pro Comfort, as you can see on that thing there. Designed and built in Australia. These were built to order for Anthony, and they look very quality. As we can tell, we've got fully replacement bolts for them. All the camber adjustment, can you see that on the top there? That's our shock adjustment, sorry, and then the camber adjustment of the Allen keys there. Very, very clean. I back them. All right, let's get these into it. Alright guys, first step done, the works are off. We'll see how these look once we slam it. We don't know if we're going to keep them or not. They're a decent wheel, does the job, but they are 17, so a little bit on the smaller side. But as you can see, we've exposed the stock suspension down here. Bit of oil smell, but it's alright.
It's fine.
Now that I've taken the wheel off in the garage, I've been blessed with a gift to induct me into the official cannoli racing team.
Yours, buddy.
I've taken off 5 lug nuts and I've done it. Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
That's expensive stuff.
Mate, this is going to be relished. I'll tell you what, this is a fucking...
Signed by Mr. Travato himself.
Mate,
It's in Black Panther, can't you?
it's going to be very greasy. Like my Mighty Carmod shirt. It's going to be worn in alternate, but...
Let's get a good look at that one. 1246 there, mate. Represent.
It's a big boost. We want this in here. This in here, right there.
Yeah,
Right
let's
there.
teleport it in.
Good, let's get into it, eh?
Yeah.
Guys, so we've taken out a 12mm brake line to the front, another brake line with a 10 at the back there, that out. We should be able to just slide it out now. Hopefully we get some leverage with it, avoiding these brake lines. There we go.
Look at that
Chuck
fucking
it in the bin,
thing.
mate. Look at that.
In the bin, mate.
We'll compare them.
Compare them.
Show them that.
Oh,
Mate.
Fuck.
This is going to be a lot different. Yeah, guys, so we're trying to be keeping up with Vindog with his BCs and the FN2, the MCAs. We're going to give them a test side by side around the corners and we'll see how it goes, alright? Fire up. Guys, we've just had a bit of a mission here. I felt like I was in the fucking Amazon trying to get the coilover on, but don't worry. We got the fuel. Oh my God, that hits harder.
let me get this top up to line up into there.
Yeah, we're just trying to get it lined up. Alright, so we're doing the left side now. So just trying to get the steering rack little thing off. 2 bolts off here, we've got the brake lines off. Bring you guys to the back. We have number 1 mechanic here trying to get this bolt back here. Bit of a pest.
Look at this, mate.
Not gonna lie, a lot of leverage there, mate, as you can tell. They were questionably tight, but
I literally
how it
pushed this
goes.
with my pinky and it came loose.
it's how it is when you're in the Hondas, mate. They've been touched in many spots. Alright guys, so we've had a bit of a difficulty getting that bolt behind there off. So for all you guys watching at home, we've basically taken this small little metal bracket off. Seems fairly useless, but we'll put it back on. As you can tell, there is a lot of bolts, but we've been able to take this off and get a lot of leverage for that back bolt. You can just see back there, and we're just doing that side now. All right, as you can see, the little upgraded strut brace. But yeah, we should just get that one out, and then the back will come out. Great fitment. Drag car special.
Yeah, it's going.
That, mate. Look at that.
Honda bits.
Honda Beats, bro. Coming through. Let's fucking go. Let's.
Alright guys, you find us back a little bit late, alright? The last install, as you've just seen, didn't go that well on the rear. So we'll show you guys what happened. Bring it over.
But I can't see this thing.
This washer here was completely cross-threaded. So that's on the other side, but this one should come out eventually. But what we have to do is retrieve some new bolts. And we're back here.
Hon bits.
Hon bits number one.
Hon bits number one.
Highly recommend for you guys. The guy Todd did me a solid.
Yes.
Did me a very, very good one. 15 minutes till he closed. He took it out of an Integra and he gave it to us. But new bolt now, we're ready to put it in. We'll get the new one down and smash the rears in, and then we'll show you guys. But yeah, bit of a mishap, but it's just the way it is here on everyday mods, everywhere.
Yeah, mate.
Alright, let's get to it, Alright guys, so we've taken drastic measures to get these bolts off. And the grinder is out.
The grinder is out, mate.
Safety first.
Where's the torch?
We're ready to go. Sponsored by the actual app grinder. Just the actual tool, as you can see there.
Have you showed him the stripped bolting there from the old owner?
We should show them, we should zoom in.
Yeah, see what
Previous owner.
look what the previous owner did to it, mate.
Yeah, I'll get that right there.
Fucking full previous owner spec.
Look at that.
Doesn't seem to be threads in there, guys.
He's fucked.
So we're literally trying to, this bolt appears to be welded or stuck on. We're getting the chisel and we're going hard. How good? Alright guys, so we've had victory. The bolt here has come off. Thank you to Anthony, our local grinding man. And owner of the tipper. It has come off pretty cleanly. We've got a little bit of evidence there of the struggle we had. So as you can see here, the bolt has been absolutely munched. As you can see, he's got a slit into there with the grinder, and he's got the good old chisel, chucked it in, and it's popped off. But as we can see there, there's 1, 2, 3 welds. So it's actually spot welded on to the subframe. That's why we're having such difficulty getting it off. And if we look inside that bolt, the previous owner has absolutely the threads. Like, that is pretty bad. There you go, you can have a look there. There's no threads in there. No threads in there. All right, beautiful. Let's get that coilover in, baby. All right, guys, as you can see here, we're comparing the old one to the new one. Looks a lot better. Got height adjustment just about here. Should be good, ready to go hard. We'll show you guys how it looks on the car over here. All right, guys, so we properly got the coilover in now. Bolt down there's in, sitting right. We've got it sitting fairly low. We adjusted the height a little bit. As you can see in the back here as well. Tightens it up, got the little things for the dampening. But we're gonna tighten it up and we'll show you guys how it sits, hey? But she's looking much better than the factory ones in there. Around here as well. All right, guys, we got the bad boy lowered. We're gonna take it out for the maiden test drive. As you can see, the back is dumped. Front's looking good as well. Let's get tested, Seb. One finger. Even, mate, the back's even lower now. You can't even fit a finger in it now. Yeah.
It's dropped?
Yeah.
You reckon it's rough?
Yeah, I don't know. It's got rod guards, guys, so it might be all right, but we'll see how it goes. We'll let you guys know after the test drive's finished.
Alright guys, everyday mods everywhere. We hope you enjoyed the video on the DC5. Like, comment and subscribe. I'm currently locked up in Shawnee's basement. He said if you give us 100 likes, he might give me some food. So if you guys can do that, that would be fantastic. Everyday mods everywhere. We're out.